In our last video, the insulation in the bed area we are now starting to put up. We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I am trying to fix the magnet that won't hold the cupboard up. I am now cleaning and putting the light covers back on. Now time to bring the stove back in.
I gotta move my fingers or I'm gonna pinch. Okay, so gently down. Whoa, stop. This is where it gets tricky. Be done with it. Oh,
Here.
great. Okay, good. Yeah, there we go. You did it. You got her. Okay, for some reason I thought this went. Maybe it fits in this thing.
No. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah. Has to go over a little bit more.
Oh, I see. Okay, so let's try this side first. Fingers again. Okay, so there we go. It's just because we had everything apart. It's all kind of shifted a bit. I had like elbow cushioning. Good. That looks nice there. Here, let's get a preview idea.
Well, I have no door.
I know. Things. Oh, my spot is like literally right there. Okay. Oh,
it has to go down.
Oh no, I didn't push it down. It probably does have to go down. I didn't push it down. I just
This part thing.
No?
Yes, this
No? Why?
there wasn't that big of a gap.
Here, hold this. No, my screw hole lines up right there.
Maybe
screw
it'll
hole
go
lines
down a
up.
little when you screw
I think,
it in.
well, the screw goes on an angle, so
Yeah.
it probably pulls it down.
That makes sense.
Not quite ready to do that
Yeah,
yet
it's
anyways.
quite big.
We're going to hook everything up and hook everything all as one, and just in case
Mind you, I guess
again.
I cleaned the crud there, so maybe that's why the gap looks bigger.
Well, it's getting a siliconing anyways because it's a wet sink area.
This place is actually pretty nice.
The backsplash is now finished. The stove area is now complete, clean and working. Except the door, I am still cleaning that.